Spokane, there's a certain restaurateur that holds a special place in our hearts.
2, 3.
Chad White is well known in Spokane for all sorts of flavors, from his amazing juicy barbecue to his bright and colorful seafood creations. So to learn how Chef Chad takes Washington's fresh ingredients and turns them into delectable plates, we took a look at his restaurant, Zona Blanca, before he closed it down. For Chef Chad White, great food is all about the experience.
It's very exciting, it's very electric, and you don't feel like you're necessarily in Spokane, Washington. We want to take people on what I call a flavorcation.
Yeah.
The food is absolutely outstanding.
It's what's fresh. They really work to bring you what's fresh.
It's just the best food I've ever had in my life.
Whether he's preparing brisket for the smoker or using Washington chilies to spice up a bowl of fresh ceviche, Chef Chad lives to serve his guests.
We just want people to come here and forget about whatever else is going on.
Yeah.
Enjoy your staycation.
Don't miss later in the show when Chef Chad and I make his special agua chili.
It's just kind of like the perfect bite.
It's a flavorcation for your mouth.
Flavorcation. Well done.